Hello dear children, welcome back to Saujanya TLM. This is your teacher Saujanya.
Doll. My doll. My little doll. This is my little doll. Cap. My cap. My green cap. This is my green cap. Ball. My ball. My colorful ball. This is my colorful ball. Bee. My bee. My busy bee. This is my busy bee. Bag. My bag. My pink bag. This is my pink bag. Duck. My duck. My yellow duck. This is my yellow duck. Friends. My friends. My nice friends. These are my nice friends. Dog. My dog. My small dog. This is my small dog. Goat. My goat. My brown goat. This is my brown goat. Crown. My crown. My gold crown. This is my gold crown. Parrot. My parrot. My red parrot. This is my red parrot.